Overview of trading UNI USDT. Trading style, spot. Time frame, midterm. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, 2 to 3 months between TPs. Entry point, 6.988 to 7.579. Take profit targets. Target 1, 8.971. Target 2, 10.511. Target 3, 12.579. Target 4, 14.457. Target 5, 17.516. Stop loss. Stop level for 0.439. Important notice. After reaching any take profit, remember to move your stop loss to your entry point or previous take profit. This protects your profits and limits losses in case the market turns against you. Enter the trade only after a pullback. Allocate 2 to 3% of your investment capital for spot trading to maximize participation while managing risks effectively. Disclaimer: this analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Do your own research and use a proper risk management strategy before making any trades. There is no guarantee of success in cryptocurrency trading, and you may lose all or part of your investment. We are not liable for any losses you may incur trading with this analysis or any other analysis we provide. Please trade with caution and responsibility.